Oh, welcome back. What do you figure? You guys update or what? Hold on, let me update you. Those interested in the old Quonset, yeah, she's gonna come together. Don't worry. I haven't forgot about that either. But more importantly, you know that old Facebook Marketplace thing there? Well, apparently the mother was on the Facebook Marketplace and she found parts for 400 bucks. You see what I mean by parts? 4.3 Vortec. Did you know these things have a balance shaft in them? I didn't know that. I need that distributor. That's going to be a part that I'm going to need there. Anybody need parts? Let me know. Swap, trade them. Won't even sell them. Hell, if you're a family in need, it's got this kind of vehicle and say you need a used wheel bearing, I got you. Let me know. I ain't changing it for you, but let's see. Oh yeah, see? There we go. Let me know wheel bearing is still. Okay, that one's junk. Never mind. Anyway. Oh, look at the crack in that pan. Eh? Anybody want engine parts? I got engine parts. She has seen better times. Here, let me show you. $400. Do you think I got my money's worth? Or do you think my mother got her money's worth, I should say? Let's see if I can roll this thing over here. Hold on. Alright. That's what happens when things don't get along too well. You can actually see the connecting rod right there. Smacked right into the old block. Crumpled up the pan. But yeah, what do you think? $400 worth? Transmission might be good. Might have a few spare parts here for swap trades. Yeah, 400 bucks. Let's see what else we got. All right. And this is the rest of the $400. You know, it's funny. Most mechanics won't even touch these things when they break down. They won't be interested in doing anything because they're not easy to work on. They're no fun. But here's what else you get for 400. All package deal. All the parts. I mean, it's not too bad for us. That's all solid. Not too shabby. We'll clean that up. Same here. Now these probably be scared to take off, but I mean the door's a little hooched. Let's check out the interior. Oh boy. What do we got? It does have a nice interior, I'll give it that. She's got some class. Take the CL out and you might even get some back there. Oh, look at this gem. Oh, wait a minute. Those are the U-joint straps. That's the drive shaft. Oh boy. Seat belts. Oh, the carpet. Let's check the carpet out. Oh yeah, look. Oh, she's brand new under there. Oh, maybe not. How about here? Oh, get a little vacuum. She might not be too bad, right? Wonder why they pulled all the seats out. More parts. More parts. Okay, a little door close is good. She's almost rust free. The door's got some dingy dingies there. Looks like somebody hit a snowbank in the winter sideways. Is that what that looks like? The rippling there? Here, let's get a better look. Oh, yeah. It's alright. Take the door off her truck, or I could just leave it alone. Let's have a look under the hood. Oh, when she found this on Facebook Marketplace, I'd said a little electrical issue. Newer engine replaced, 160 on it. Let's see what we got. Let's see what else 400 bucks buys on Facebook Marketplace. Uh-oh. What do we got here? Oh boy. Oh boy. What did I get myself into? Wait a minute. Oh boy. Oh no. Just like that? Is that how that's supposed to go? Oh boy. Why do I always take on basket cases? What's wrong with me? It's like I got something to prove all the time. Oh my god. Oh look, everything's all unplugged. Everything's missing. Spark plug wires. I better check the motor mounts. Make sure those are tight. Oh, we got the... Oh, is that the red caps and the blue caps? Holy jeez Murphy. Oh, you know why most mechanics don't want to work on these things? Because they suffer from a thing called death cool. And that's the red antifreeze. It eats the intake gaskets and it eats the head gaskets, and they usually overheat. People can't figure out why. They go through coolant and people can't figure out why unless the intake leaks on the outside of the engine. Well, I already did the intake gaskets on my mom's truck, because that happened to her right in town, and we had the issues there. So yeah, wonder if I can get both of these running. What do you guys think? Oh boy, worth the 400 bucks? You guys tell me. Let me know. I moved that truck, put half of that one back together just to get some parts out of my way, and for you guys to think that that one there is just gotten tore down and is not going to get used, you are sadly mistaken, because she is going to probably end up being right freaking on there. What do you think? 68 bogger? Or build a Pro Mod. Oh shit, I didn't say that. I didn't say that. No, I didn't. No 4-link 4-wheel drive drop T cases and chain drive. No. Like, share, sub. I'm out.